After weeks of strange forecasts, we can finally confirm that...
Hold on, ibambe kancane. Whoa, emahanyane Melanie. Remember I told you to expect big changes on the ETV horizon. Angithi, well, that change is here. Let's update that forecast properly. All right, now your evening has cleared up. Everything is landing back to back now. Smooth viewing, no turbulence. We actually start with Kelders van Geheime drifting in with light rain at 7 p.m. Besemaziti 7:30 expect clear skies and sunshine as House of Sweden rolls through. Then Scandal comes in with a strong vugu at 8 p.m. A full thunderstorm in the legendary slot. I mean, you know why, right? Bese Isita comes in very hot at 8:30 p.m. Mr. Smoke and Mirror stay steady at 9 p.m. Windy night, low visibility, still pure fire. Back to you, Melanie.
Yes, and we're part of the change too. ETV News is now at 6:30 p.m.
So, Salah, that's your new primetime forecast. From January 19, 2026, the nights are shifting, Zubamnandi, switching times, changing the game.